The cafeteria closes soon, but the snack machines are accessible throughout the night.
The campus tour will help you get familiar with the teaching facilities.
The chemistry building is still open during vacation.
The chemistry exam results will be posted on the website.
The circulation desk is located on the ground floor.
The clear evidence between brain events and behavioral events are always fascinating.
The college welcomes international students from all over the world.
The company number of bankruptcy skyrocketed in the third quarter.
The competency in the language in the assignment is to use more formal words.
The computer virus destroyed all my files.
留洋英语
The conference is predicted to draw greater numbers than last year.
The content of the book on the cover must be in capitals.
The context includes both the land history and the human history.
The country suffered a series of invasions by tribes from present-day Germany and Denmark.
The course registration is open early March for new students.
The critical literature theory will continue broadening the interpretation.
The current and conventional method has many disadvantages, including the side effects.
The current statistical evidence indicates the need of further research.
The date of the invention of the first clock is disputed among historians.
The development is mainly included in Chapter 9.
留洋英语
The doctor is not here today.
The elephant is the largest land-living mammal.
The fertile plains in the east of the region provide an excellent land for farming.
The final year will consist of 4 taught courses and 1 project.
The first few sentences of an essay should capture the reader's attention.
The first person in space was from the Soviet Union.
The flexibility is the key factor in this course this semester.
The gap between the rich and the poor did not decrease as rapidly as had been expected.
The Generic Biology Technology Lab is located at the north wing of the library.
Their geographic assignment should be submitted by the midday of Friday.
留洋英语
The glass is not the real solid because it doesn't have crystal structure.
The hypothesis needs to be tested in a more rigorous way.
The information on the internet becomes more reliable.
The inherent tension between these two features remains to be addressed.
The interpreter is not available in our department.
The investigation aims to establish stains of the problem.
The key to success in the exam is to study hard and do well.
The largest department in this university is the history department.
The law library is closed on Sundays and public holidays.
The lecture management in Japan will take place in week 7.
留洋英语
The lecture on geology is postponed to another day.
The lecture tomorrow will discuss the educational policies in the United States.
The lecture was meant to start at 10.
The library is located on the other side of the campus behind the student center.
The minimal mark for distinction can be awarded no less than 75%.
The mismatch between the intended and reported uses of the instrument has become clear.
The module develops our understanding of the theory behind advertising campaign.
The most modern agricultural equipment is now extremely expensive.
The new drug will be tested in North America.
The new English class will start next Monday morning.
留洋英语